In this lesson, we are going to learn how to zoom in and zoom out in MS Word, and this is coming up. Okay, firstly, let's type something so that we can use it to do our work. After that, let's look for zoom to at the downside here, where the arrow is indicating. Now let's use the minus sign to zoom out. Continue pressing it to zoom out. After zoom out, you can also use the plus sign to zoom in. Continue pressing it. Okay, let's try the process again by zooming in and out using the plus and the minus sign. Thank you for watching out this video. Subscribe for more educational videos.